Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can hear, my voice is almost completely gone. I've been sick, but I really wanted to get this video up for you guys, and I hope you guys can actually understand what I'm saying. But today I have this holiday glam for you guys. So in this tutorial, I won't really be talking because, as you can tell, I don't have a voice right now. But before we get into the tutorial, I do want to show you guys the bra that I love and I'm always wearing. If you've been subscribed to me for a long time, you know that I'm talking about the up bra. And I will leave a coupon code right here on the screen for $10 off your purchase. And I will also leave it down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So I'm currently wearing their strapless, their stay up strapless bra right here. As you can see, it gives me nice cleavage. But if you guys didn't know, I recently gave birth to my daughter about 9 months ago, and it definitely changed my boobs a lot. My boobs now droop down low, and I will show you guys how it looks without the up bra. This is me pulling on the shirt. If you've been wanting the up bra for a long time, this is the perfect timing to ask your mom, your dad, your significant other, or even treat yourself to an up bra, because you definitely need it. This is a must-have in my closet. This is something I wear every single day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let's get into the tutorial.